Me will always be tight. Memory every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
Remember how much you've grown.
Just did our last walkthrough of the school today. So yeah, I'm hot, tired. My thing is falling off my head. And we hungry. Teachers gave me candy. They shouldn't have done that, but yeah, we made our friends, our undergrad friends cry. But yeah, we're having a good time. It's hot. Bye, Tony. Security guard, talking to security guard. But all right, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. I'm about to just go and get food because I'm hungry and bring my brother back some food. So yeah, on that note, thanks. Oh, we got our graduation tickets, but on that note, please like, comment, and share, subscribe for more fun and entertainment. Try that again. Please.
Edit that out.
Should I edit that out? Please like, comment, and share for more fun and entertaining videos to come. Love you guys.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh.